So good evening everyone. I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for joining today's session. So it will be a quick recap about how to convert presentations basically like I'm going to tell you about how to create effective presentations, and there are lots of many things like I told you about like notebook LM. If I will say notebook LM is very unique if Notion, because we have seen Notion. If Notion and any AI will have the maximum capabilities, so I will say Notebook LM is something which actually going to change the way of your learning as well. Not just learning, because I will say that it can replace upcoming teachers as well, like how you are able to get the content right now. So and the best part about Notebook LM is it is the free feature. You don't need to pay a single penny for using Notebook LM as well. So I welcome you again, everyone. And today what we are going to see is very simple: how to create effective presentations. Not just presentations, because Gamma AI is just not limited to presentations. It can actually help you. It can actually help you with the making social media posts, websites as well, and deck. It is very important when you do a business. You need to have a deck to approach people as well, to let them know about in 2 to 3 to 4 pages what your company basically do. So let me quickly share my screen to you, and then we can quickly go on things. Okay. So, am I audible, everyone, for you, or is there any problem with my microphone?
It's okay.
Oh, it's all right. Okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
Thank you so much.
I think
So,
Suat cannot hear you. She's the only one who's not able to hear you.
okay, okay, all right. So, let me share a window with you right now. And okay, fine. Window. All right. So I hope you are able to see my screen as well right now. So what we are going to do initially, as I told you, we are quickly going to see first of all the gamma. So let's start quickly once again from restart. So when you log in, after logging in, you see something like this. So when you go over here, like you see create new. So you can create lot of different things in lot of different ways. So first of all, you can generate any PowerPoint presentation with the form of one line prompt, right? And you can just paste in text, like you, if you have notes, you can just, that prompt. So when you click on generate, many people use generate feature because they want Gamma AI to generate more big and more better idea of the notes, or whatever the content which you are going to put over here. Paste in text. If you have a file which already have a content, you can just copy and paste here. If you have anything like you have a file like PDF, PowerPoint already, or you want to improve, if you have any link to PDF, if you want to just put the drive over here, you can just put the Google Slides, Google Docs over here as well. If you have a website or anything which you want to convert into a Gamma presentation as well, anything, you can use this one. Okay, mainly you will need this one and remix template as well, which is a new feature that you can remix the template as well, whatever you need. Like you can create uh, a presentation in which you can give the example of, I will say, an image as well, a deck basically, in which you will have a proposal, or you will have a website proposal basically. So this is something which this feature is actually working under progress. But let's see on generate. So what I was going to tell you about, like you can see, there is, if you'll go okay, if you'll go on Google, there is one very great resource, Gamma. gamma prompts. So if you'll go over here, 100 plus prompts basically, which is already here, the gamma has. So that is what I was actually wanted to show you here as well, that even if you're working on a dedicated tool which will make a presentation on for you, it has prompts, right? So basically, let me share this with you so that you will be able to access this, because this is way more important, to let you know that, uh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Like, you have tried the prompts from cloud and then you went ahead, because it can give you a very different results. So what you can do is, you can generate normally which PowerPoint you wanted to generate, or there are some most popular, build a proposal for your for basically my company or whatever it is. You have to give a context as perfect as you can. Brief campaign for an eco-friendly sneaker launch. So you are making a campaign here. If you'll go down for sales and professionals, build a proof of concept proposal for your AI customer services, design a multi-stakeholder pitch for your learning management system, design renewal presentations for your analytics platform client showing 2.5 million of data.
Ashka,
So
did you send this one? Did you send this link to the
y-
group?
yes, I just sent it in chat. If you will
Is
go
it
on,
this
yeah,
chat?
yeah, yes, I believe this chat, like on the Teams basically.
Ah, yes, yes, I got it. Thank you.
Perfect. So now this is actually a game changer here, because it will change the all over the content layout, the way it is going to make decks for you as well. So if you will go down, there is a lot of different things. Like if you click all, uh, let me tell you why all. For consultant, if you are consulting someone, right? So you have to use those prompts. You can see there are different prompts basically here. Like consulting, basically, like let's suppose you are sending the data to any human, I will say. So for that, for educators, if you want to teach sometime, so you need to use those prompts, right? And for marketers, if you want to present something, like if you want to present your product to the people as well, your any service to the people as well, so you need to make something like this: design a social media campaign, sustainable fashion brand, launch finance app. If you have anything you're launching, if you have anything which you like, is it related to campaigns or marketing or anything, it is for that. Sales, build a proof of concept for proposal for AI customer service that we have seen already. Build a competitive displacement deck for CRM. This is getting technical, but yes, there are many, I will say, prompts which is going to help you. Build a proposal for your company, 4 day a week pilot. Make a brand refresher proposal for family 40-year-old hardware store. Design a pitch deck for a podcast for, okay, fine. I believe that I will see this form. So I will copy this, like design a pitch deck for a podcast called Founder Stories, covering concept, target audience, aspiring entrepreneurs. Format 30-minute interview and sponsor the opportunities. So I can use that, or I can use any one of them. But here you can see that you got hundreds of prompts for free, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so now let's get on Gamma, like and then we will quickly make something, then you will be able to, like, I don't want to uh waste another time, but I will take you some like very quickly over here. So presentation, web page, document, social. One thing you haven't tried, that is social, but social is very good, right? So let me tell you, like, because when you go on Instagram, there is some post where you slide 1 2 3 4, right? So if you want classic and studio, every card is single image embedded with text, edit, or flexible card, editable text and layout block. So studio, I find studio is much more better. Little content, like you can see that the layouts, like the image will be here, lot of text. Image will be here, so much text. A big image with a title or just image, right? Okay, I need a social post for my AI mm, AI course, AI benefits. Let's suppose in AI benefits in education. Okay, so just vibes, just image, minimal text, or a little context. So I'll keep it as it is. If you want square, portrait, or stories, for stories, you know that for Instagram stories, or you need a portrait, just like I will say for Instagram posting purpose. If you're adding on Pinterest or somewhere, you can use square. You can use square for Instagram as well. So it will be a social, obviously, and I am creating four cards. Generate outline. So now it will create an outline, one, two, three, and four. That's it. Now you can see that the first page will be about title and the photo will be there. In the second page, there will be this much content. Third page, there will be this much content. On and the fourth page, there will be this much content. You can still edit if you want to edit over here. If you want to add card, you can add it as well. So which visual theme which you like, I will go with this. And as well as AI model, you can do photorealistic 3D line art illustration, but I will keep it as it is. Now generate. So now it is going to generate a socials for you, right? I will definitely tell you about how to make presentations and how to effectively edit presentations and how to effectively make presentations, do editings, all of it as well. But right now, there is something which we need because the recording is already ready and it is provided to you. And I know that there are some bits which I wanted to share you as well, something more about I will say about editing the presentations. What are the restrictions? What are the more capabilities? So that is what we are going to see here as well. So let's see, because it is, I will say, making this cards is hardest part. Why I'm telling you hardest part for social media? Because it takes a lot of designing skills and feature, I will say time to make this and then to put on our social media. So it is always better that if you have Gamma, and I told you the trick, how to remove the watermarks as well. So you know the trick very well. And I believe that the images which I got is really very amazing. Like when you are going to see like AI revolutionizing educations right now. Now you can see the results as well. The image is here, the proper text is here. Like you can add why the space is over here. uh, can you tell me why the space is here, the white space?
Can you remind me how to remove the watermarks?
Yeah, for sure. For sure. I will remind you how to remove the watermarks as well. But can you tell me about why this space is for?
To give a title.
To
Are you talking
yes,
about this
but make
box?
sure that your content should not be copied by some people. Title is here, but it will be your space to put your branding. At the rate your Instagram ID, at the rate your whatever ID it is when you're posting. So make sure that this space is just not an error or white space. There is a space so that you can put your name basically of your page. So make sure whenever you export, before exporting you can go here, basic blocks. So I will need heading 3 and just a sec. And all right, so you can edit it as well, but here it will be very easy to custom node box. No, don't need drag and drop. We will drag it here. Okay, let's do heading 4. But we need on. Okay, let's go here and okay, leave it like but you would be able to edit this part over here later on when you go on Instagram as well. You get a feature where you can just put things over here, so it is for branding. That's what I wanted to say you. If you want to edit that over here, I will be able to show you right now. But when you go here, you will see personalized learning for every student. Now it is actually comparing things for you, and then you can see the level of images as well. It takes a lot of time to do all those things, and teacher becoming superheroes, and now your all those socials are here. Now if you want to edit, how you will be able to edit, uh, you can just say this is the agent feature as well over here, and you can just go here. And why it is called as agent? Because whatever you are going to say, it will change. Now you can see this image is related to this. Change change the title to AI for all and AI in education, right? So now I have given just a command over here, a prompt, normal prompt, and you will be able to see that the things will be changed over here. You don't need to do any changes. So if you want to change a layout, if you want to change an image, if you want to do anything, it will do anything over here. You just need to say it in a proper way, and it will do all of the changes. Right. So now on the like now you can see AI is revolution. Okay, original and modified. So it will give you the choice as well, like what is the modified version and what will be the previous version, and which one you would like to choose. So in some time you will be able to see what it has created. So now the AI for all. So AI for all transforming how we grow, learn, and so the context is very important. And I am going to give you the trick as well, because you can see that there is credits, right? But you have unlimited credit. So how to create unlimited credit for the Gamma as well, I am going to share you in this session, right? So now you can see that the total things has changed with the help of images as well, and it looks very professional. And you can just quickly this is the main part when you want to, like, let's suppose share, and when I say export, and you can export it now, because this is images, right? You need to export it as a PNG. So export it as a PNG. So I am exporting it as an PNG. That means PNG is nothing but a image files. So now you will see that it is actually getting exported as a image file, and it will be download quickly. Okay. So now I will be able to, yes, it has been downloaded. Now I will go in my downloads to see that what result I got. So if you will see, like I have those image. Yeah, I have those images, and you can see that, but it has a, here you will see it has a watermark which says made with Gamma. That's what we need to remove. So what I will quickly do is
I
I
can't
will,
see your, I mean, your
oh yeah,
screen.
okay. Thank you so much for reminding. I need to share my whole I will say screen, right? Thank you so much, Ria. I hope my screen is visible right now. And now what you need to do, I will extract this. Obviously, like we need to extract all of these things over here. and then I will have the images. So now you can see that if I am going to quickly show you a image, it will have a watermark. It will have a watermark here that is made with gamma. We need to hide this, and it is very easy. You can go on Nano Banana and say that hide this basically watermark. So you can do that trick as well. You can go on LM Arena and ask Nano Banana to do that. No problem. It will. Nano Banana is a very good image editor as well. Okay, so let me quickly go on. Uh, Okay, so I'm going to give you an example by doing one image. Now it is PNG, right? It's basically an image. So my favorite website is again Light PDF, where I'll upload the image. On Light PDF, I can share you the link, but I believe that the links are already shared. But otherwise, I'm going to share these links once again once we finish the session. So now you can see that I will click on remove, and you can see it is actually in the bottom area. And let's see if this light PDF is able to remove that watermark or not, and we can quickly download this. So it is not removed, so we can manually remove by giving it a rectangle. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes you need to remove manually as well. So you can see that I have chosen the triangle, like sorry, rectangle here. I'll click on remove. So now you will see that it is very easy, like it will be able to remove that watermark from there. Okay, now the watermark is totally removed and you can save it. Now and this is here. Now this is basically the one which you have downloaded, and it will have no watermark. Things are totally fine. So this is how you will be able to upload multiple JPGs, by the way. And you can see there is add a button over here. You can add second, third, fourth, open. Okay, but it will tell you to purchase another, I will say, upgraded platform, but you don't need to, because there are multiple free watermark removers as well. And the best one is, as I told you, you can go on LM Arena, ask Nano Banana to remove the watermark. But I am coming with another tool as well, which will be so much helpful to you. Okay, so this is basically the another feature which was not in the I will say into the recording as well. But let's go on a presentation right now. Let's quickly see what edits you can do. Okay, so here you can see that there are lots of different things. If you want to add a card, you can tell a card over here as well. Like you can, sometimes you need to add in presentations like meet our team, right? And you know that to meet our team you need a layout like this, where there will be 3 to 4 people, image with text, 3 to 4 people and the description, right? So I will choose a template, and I want to make a section, meet our team, Ria, Kautar, and I will say Pochra are the people who are in this company. Okay, so, and I will paste it over here. So now what is it is going to do? It is going to create meet our team, Ria, Kautar, Boshra. So now see, the context are not here. Oh wow, lovely photos, but these two looks identical. Okay, but no worries. Now you can see that I have just written, and it has created another, I will say, a section for me, where you just need to let it know like what is behind every great innovation. There are dedicated individuals driving it forward. Allow us to introduce this and that, right? So it will be able to quickly respond you know that it didn't took even 5 seconds as well, and things are in front of you, right? So there are so many things what you can do AI in education, transforming learning for future. Like okay, the slides are over here, what is why AI in education and all. You can use title headings. You just need to do a drag and drop. Let's suppose here I want to extend something. So I will go here. If I want to add a table, so I will go here and I will add a table. So it's a 3 by 3 table, but I don't want to create a table. So what I will do, I will go here and I will ask, sorry, I will go here in on agent, and on agent I will ask, um, which is this one, right? Okay, okay, yeah. Continue with AI. So now you can see that it will actually add things. That's what I wanted to show you. If you don't want to do it by yourself, you can add by doing continue with AI. It will add automatically content with the AI as well. Otherwise, you can ask the same thing, make the table related to, or make the table content title as age group and learning style, age group, learning style, and behavior, right? So if you will do this, and it will be able to edit this. So I just need to recheck once again. Okay, yeah. So you can just add the same thing here. Rather than going on agent, you can just quickly hit over here and just paste this, and it will create a table for you. So it goes over here all the way, but it is going to add the table over here for you. So these are the things you don't need to worry about, and it will automatically add table, and it will automatically do things for you. Now you can see that the original one looks like this, modified one looks like that. So age group, learning style, and behavior. So I can also go more ahead by telling that, can you please fill the table with regarding things, regarding, I will say, context, if you have any. Moreover, on the, if you want to add bullet points or anything, if you want a button as well, if you want to add a question box as well, you can do a lot of things over here. And as well as there is some interesting thing, you can do one more thing. You can add GIF as well, movements. Basically, if you want a short movie to be run over here, if you want a short moments to be run over here, so GIF from Giphy. So if you will see, like, if you it is actually like I will use this. So now if I want to present this, so it will be presented like this. So now you can see that it will be presented in this way. So welcome to the club. So now you can see that it is not just still images, but you can also add GIFs as well to make it more interactive. So this is what something, if you need something like this sometime, so you can add GIFs as well. So in the agent section, you can also say that I need a GIF. Okay. So moreover, icons, you can add icons. If you want to add a QR code, you can just generate QR code right now over here. Accent images, and if you have a gallery. Smart layout. So in the layouts, if you need some different column, just like this is basically the layout with 3 columns, bullet points, timeline, just like if you wanted to add it over here, like, you know, that the roadmaps basically in like start this we will start this session of we have started this session from 14th October, 15th of October, and because start, or I will say induction, and then real course starts from, I will say, it starts from 6 November, right? And then so on, you can start with that. So if you have all those things over here, if you start over here, you can just quickly go here and say that on timeline, these are the dates, add into the roadmap, add into the timeline. Okay, so I don't want it, so I will quickly remove this. So there is a lot of potential what you can do. And if you looking at diagrams, diamonds, circles, and if you are building something, if you want gears as well, look at this. It will create a very good visual for you for people to understand regarding how things works basically. So it will, like, you can see the gears, how from here it process, then analyze, then generates, then visualize, something like that. So you have all the visuals over here as well. So it has lot of things from here. uh, the I don't want you to drag and drop. I want you to know the functionalities of these I will say tools, so that you can tell agent to use that, right? What fits for you. Now if you want a chart, basically you can say that add charts basically on the base of statistics. Now you will need statistics, you need information for that. So you make sure that whenever you are going to play with statistics, you have to make sure that it is because it is very important when you are going to share some data, it should be backed by something very solid. So go on the agent. If you will go on agent, paste the file over here, like control V. Like, I know that there is no link right now. Just paste the link. Based on that, add the statistics on my topic. So it will add the statistics properly as well. Like, it will be very interactive, and it is way more better than Power BI and Tableau. So you don't need to worry about anything. So now you can see Gantt chart, weekly calendar. You can add diagrams as well. It's up to you. Video media, if you want to add YouTube video, Vimeo video, or any Loom recording as well. I hope people who don't know about Loom recording is an amazing tool. By the Loom, you know that sometimes, I know that if you can use it, I don't want you to use it if you are not in session, but you want to be in the session. Behalf of you, if you want an AI to be in the session, and when the session ends and the AI will come to you, oh yes, Akshay taught this, Akshay taught that, and he told you the best thing in the tip is basically that how he removed the watermark, and how he basically explained that Gamma is just not for PowerPoint presentations. Gamma is also for making social media as well. So Loom, basically there is an AI for everything. If you don't are not if you are not able to come, your clone will attend the meetings. If you have different meetings at the same time, you cannot attend all the meeting at the same time, but your clone, AI clone, will attend all the meetings, and at the end of the day, it will come in that meeting in 2 minutes. Just in 2 minutes, it will tell everything to you. So this is what
That's right, but how can you do that? I mean, you said that you can do that, but how?
okay.
Like,
uh,
is it
because I will say that you can, as of now, just write down the name of the tool, and I won't say do a research, because now I know that my next upcoming topic will be how to teach you that how to use it.
so is it Loom you said, yeah?
Yes, Loom.
Loom AI.
Loom recording, you can use Loom recording, Loom AI, or there are many different competitive tools as well. But yes, Loom is something which is very good.
Okay.
Okay. So now TikTok, Spotify, and everything. Okay, and then it comes with, if you want to integrate a button for Instagram as well. Let's suppose if I put the Instagram over here, have to paste a link, and it will the post will be over here. Live post. It doesn't. I don't think so. Any presentation allows you to show the live, basically connected post as well. So this is something which is very amazing. You can get the link of Google Drive, if you can show the tweet from Twitter, or you can put anything from Power BI Airtable. And if you want to show website into your presentation as well, you can put do that as well. So it has
Sorry,
a
Ashley,
lot.
can I ask a question, please?
Yes.
Sorry, for the GIF you've added, I mean,
Yes, yes.
in which format we have to download it in order for us to So if you download it in PDF
PPT.
format, will it still be showing?
PPT. It will be not in PDF then, it will be in PPT.
PPT, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
because
Thank
PDF will be still, and if you are going to download in a PowerPoint presentation, it will be live.
It
Yeah,
will be live. Okay, thank you.
welcome. My pleasure. So, and all those things. But I believe that if you know these basically information, if you know these things, you will be able to make outstanding presentations. The only thing which you need to do, spend at least 30 minutes. That's it. I don't want much time. 30 minutes with Gamma and make a presentation by yourself. That's it. And you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so you will know every thing about Gamma, and uh, initially it used to take 2 hours, 3 hours just to make a PowerPoint presentation. But right now the AI, the agent is here basically. Now the main question comes. I hope everyone is listening very properly. Then I told you that there are 166 credits remaining.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. So now the question comes. Yeah, thank you. Now the question comes. You told us, Akshay, how we can have unlimited credits. Okay. So let me tell you about the very good way, because then you will be able to generate unlimited presentations. Let's suppose this is my original account, but let me sign out with this, right? So now I will tell you, like, let's suppose your email is like my email is Akshay Pandey. Like I will do a quick sign up, because you know that when you sign up by yourself. Okay. Okay. So basically this is my email. This is not basically my email. This is my email. Okay. So this is my email. And if I'll tell you that you have unlimited emails, I will repeat my sentence. You know that whenever we sign up on Gamma, so it gives you 500 to 700 credits, right? 500 to 700 credits. And when you use all of the credits, then you need to buy credits, right? But 700 credits are, I will say, it has a potential that you can use that 700 credits to make 70 slides, which is so much. 70 slides are too many. So let's suppose if I have this email, akshay.pandey452 at the rate. So akshay.pandey452, if I will do +1, right? If I will do +1, it will be my another email. If I will do +2, it will be my another email. If I will do +3, it will be my another email. But let's suppose if I do akshay.pandey plus 100, continue with email. And now it says that to continue with akshay.pandey452 plus 100, you need to go on this email. So I will quickly open my Gmail, which is not other than nor my original email, right? akshay.pandey452 at gmail.com, which is just my normal email. You can see it is just my normal email. It's nothing plus 100 and all. But this is a glitch. This is an error. And you know, being a cybersecurity researcher, we know that how to get through it, right? So what I will do, the email is sent to akshay.pandey452 plus 100, but it automatically comes to directly on akshay.pandey452 @gmail.com. You can try on your one as well. And now you know, if I have verified this, and I will go with the password basically, and I will go with suggest any password, use strong password. Okay, and continue. Okay, so the trick is totally simple. Before at the rate, before at the rate, you have to add plus any number. Okay, and it will come to your original email. You don't need to make any new email. And when I'll go here, like I will go back, and I will go on home. So now you can see that even if it gives you 400 credits, basically 400 free credits, that means if one account gets totally used up, you downloaded everything, make a new account. What I will do, if let's suppose this is the whole account is used up, I will quickly go on sign up, and I will again type akshay.pandey452, and let's suppose I'm using this. So I'm using this, but right now I know that this 100 is used up. I will do 101. Continue with email. And now you will see that if I did 101, so I will go on my email quickly. This is basically my email. Now, even if I do 101, it will still come to my original email. So now this is how you can create unlimited accounts. Anyone here wants to volunteer or wants to know how you can create your unlimited emails, but it will come to your original email? Did you got it? Anyone having if you or you have any confusion? Anyone? Ria, Boshra, Claire, Suleiman?
Yeah, I'm
Well,
just listening. Actually, I'm doing it on my listening on my phone, so I'm not on the
Okay, no
laptop.
worries, no worries. The main purpose of showing you this is like you can create unlimited accounts. If you are going to create unlimited accounts, you will get 400 credits on every account. You don't need to create multiple emails
you could
to,
try if you want. I don't mind.
yeah, please try. Like I can give you some time. Make an account from your original email, then sign up with uh,
I've already have an account with Gamma, so I can just create a new one.
perfect +1, then +2, like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I will wait so that you can do it successfully. And this is basically your first task, I will say, for today, because that is going to help you throughout the whole process. So I want you to be confident on this part. So you have around 5 minutes to try and let me know.
Yeah, so I got it now.
Perfect. Yes,
Yeah,
perfect.
it's
That's
going to my email. Yes, yeah.
very quick, very quick. Like you just got like in just
Yeah,
one
I
minute
got
you
it.
did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Anyone else? Suleiman, I hope you have tried as well. So like I really appreciate that you have tried.
Yeah, I'm
And
trying right now. I'm
for you,
trying right
Ria,
now.
okay. Oh, very good, Ria. Nice, lovely. That's great. Now you know that you will be able to create multiple accounts, and that is what basically you will need because we try our most. That means you don't need to buy any premium methods. Okay, so I hope the Gamma will be so much helpful for you. Make sure I'm telling you because I know some of the breaking, like upcoming news. Gamma is coming with way more amazing features. Okay, so that is what I am going to tell you. When it will come up with the features, I will be the one who is going to tell you about that, but don't worry. But yes, learn as much you can Gamma right now. so that you can definitely make something very amazing things. You don't need a graphic designer to make something like this. You don't need a graphic design. Oh my god, like I honestly see, look at the um uh, I will say the sections where it written the information, the title, the all the images and everything. It is actually eye catchy and very quality, right? It has a very good quality. So yeah, this is how you will be able to use it, and it just requires seconds. And that is how you will be able to post it quality content on your Instagram. Make sure the consistency remains the same. If you are going to use this, I will say theme, just follow this theme on every single post which goes on your Instagram or anywhere, or LinkedIn or anywhere, like that. And let me take you on ChatGPT. So the another section what I want to show you is, like now ChatGPT. I don't know you have you what for what many things you might use, but when you click the plus button here, it has create image section as well. That means ChatGPT can create images as well right now, and it has shopping research as well. I need 56-inch TV. Now ChatGPT will search the best 56 inches TV for you, the cheapest in the market. You don't need to do research. You don't need to create account. You don't need to do anything. You just need to pay from here. You don't need to create an account to pay as well. You don't need to put the address where it needs to ship, because ChatGPT has everything of you. So basically get started. It will tell you what is your budget range. So now you need to, the objective for you, you need to write down, I need to, like basically I will teach you about this in a more enhanced way, but this will be a homework for you for tonight and this weekend. I believe that you need to research about the shopping research section in ChatGPT. Try ChatGPT in a very different way right now, right? So, preferred brand, I believe for me it is Samsung. Or if you don't know, you can skip. So my desired thing is, oh, I need 4K HD. Okay. So wall mount table stand adjustable. So I will say table stand. Okay. So now I will preview all the rates. So it is actually giving me all the information, right? And it will also see basically like more like this, less like this, and everything. So I will say more like this because I like this one more like this. And I will say it is of 579 pounds. Okay. And this will be 600. So I don't want this. So why you don't like? Because of the price. So it is going to show me something cheaper. So if I click over here, and it will tell me the most efficient way, most cheapest way where I can get it directly. So it searches throughout the online and gives you the best result. Okay, so this is what you need to do, and what more you can do is just take out any photo of anything, and I don't know, I have those anything or as a product or what, but I don't believe I have any photo of product. But you can just put the product and say that I need this and I want to buy this online. So it will search on the online section and will provide you all of those things. There are way more things which I am going to show you, because there is one more thing that is called as canvas. So I am going to show you later on what is canvas. But right now, the most amazing tool, it is a time to go on the most amazing tool by Google, free of cost, and that is going to blow your mind. So I actually want to repeat once again that you need to test the feature, the shopping feature, which is came by ChatGPT. I don't want to spend money. Ladies, please don't spend money if you find out anything cheaper. It is just to test the feature, right? So you have to do this. You can do this on your mobile phone as well. And let me know how was your experience, because I just need to know the experience, because this update just came out right now. Okay, Notebook LM. I just want to ask before we go on Notebook LM, is everything is clear till this point, like till this time? whatever we have seen. If you have any problem, anything, just let me know. Okay. Then I can move forward to Notebook LM, which is the another part of our session today. So I'm going to quickly revise. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the chat section. Then I will be able to take a follow up on that before we go on the another section. Okay. So let's go on Notebook LM. Notebook is just like things where you note. LM, large language model. So first of all, let's try the Notebook LM. What is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is going to change the way how you think, how you learn, and how you see the things as well. Let's suppose there is a podcast for a couple of hours. I know that there are TEDx talks, right? So TEDx talks how to sell anything, right? If I will go here and like over here, it is a 21 minute it is a 21 minute video. And if I'll go here now, you know that the TEDx talks are just not limited to 20 minutes basically. And five steps to design your life you want, six secret learning faster. Okay. And there are a lot of things over here. Okay. So let's suppose this is the 4 letter code. Okay, fine. So uh, you know that it got 4.1 million views, 7-year old. What I will do, if I don't want to put 21 minutes, I also want to hear what he is saying, but in a very different way, right? So I go on Notebook LM. It is totally free of cost, right? So create a notebook. If you want to like create a note, you have to create a notebook first of all for any topic. So you can upload any sources. Let's suppose you have the best PDF about the topic and everything, you can just upload it over here. I don't have anything, so I will just put the link, right? So I have put the link over here. It is going to search about what is in the link right now. And it is going to put the title Maya the code familiar surprise. So the transcript examines conflict between consumer demand, novelty, and inherent human perfection, familiarity. So most Maya, most advanced yet acceptable. So this is something 4 letter code it is all about. Now if I want to have an infographic, that means based on the whole conversation of 21 minutes, can I see in an image and just can understand what is actually in 21, what is actually told in 21 minutes? Can I, let's suppose if I have a 21 minute, I will say YouTube video, I want to make a presentation based off it, directly presentation. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to go on Gamma. I don't want to do anything. Can you make a proper presentation directly based on this topic, right? So now you can see that over here, it has created a presentation already based on like okay, chat GPT workflow mastery, beginning. Okay, beginner's guide to chat GPT project. So this is basically my previous work. Now you can see that based on the just a 21 minute video, it has already made up one poster. One poster is enough to tell you what is actually in entire 20-minute video. You can do the same thing for 2 hours video as well. I have did that and it has no limits. So now you can see that it is generating a slide deck. So let's wait for the slide deck. Let's click on the infographic. Now it is actually generating an infographic. I will say for, okay, so for this. Okay, I have selected an another thing over here. That's why I just got confused why it is ChatGPT, and I can create a slide deck for the Maya as well. So here you can take any video. Like I can, you know that the most famous is right now Elon Musk. podcast. Like I don't know, like there are so many podcasts of Elon Musk right now. So you know that it is a 1 hour 54 minute podcast. So let's click on this podcast and let's copy the link. I don't have time 1 hour 54 minutes to listen, but I just want to have a I will say insight about what actually happened in 1 hour 54 minutes. What are the key takeaways of that? So now if you'll go over here, like uh, this is the infographic which is already generated. The Maya principle of engineering and familiar surprises. So we live in a cult of novelty. What is neophilia? And but our brains are weird to prefer the familiar. More exposure effect, we favor things we have been exposed to before. So what is neophobia? So like you can see technology, Spotify adding familiar songs to discover weekly playlist and dramatically increase user engagement. So the Maya principle was created by industrial designer Raymond Louis. He designed 20th century icon, the Coca-Cola fountain, Air Force One, and Exxon logo. So the solution most advanced yet acceptable Maya. So this is basically, it is not just going to show the summary of the whole video, but it actually generates the whole infographic for you. If you want to create a mind map as well, you can create a mind map. If you want to create a video overview as well, you can create a video overview, right? So Notebook LM is a very amazing way to, I will say, to learn in today's world. Why? There is also a audio overview. Let's suppose you add a PDF which you want to read, but audio overview will just not read the PDF. It will do a podcast on that PDF. Two people talk to each other about the what is the content in PDF, and when you will hear that, you will be like surprised to know that it is totally a podcast, and it is made in such a way that it is like pretended that the user will be get interacted into that session as well. And you can plan your family trips and everything as well over here. So now you can see basically the mind map is here as well, and you can download everything in high quality. There is no payment, no, nothing at all. So the core tension, the power of familiarity, originator, who is the originator? Basically, this 20th century industrial designer. If you will click over here, it will go to AI to research on these things. Application of Maya. So where is basically you can apply Maya technology, academics, identify fashion, politics, and all of those things. So it depends, like what you are learning, whatever you want to watch, you can take something very interesting. I know that this might not be so much interesting for you, but yes, so you can go on Again Studio. So now what it has made, it has made engineer families. Okay, we have seen this, and it is going to make a video overview for you as well. Like I can show you, I have already prepared a video overview, and it will create a PPT slides for you. Okay, so let me show you something which I have made already. I believe that it was on my different account. So you don't need to create account. Elon Musk and human. Okay, yeah. So this is basically Elon Musk's vision about Twitter. Previously Twitter, right now X, AI and humanity. So now I created some flashcards. So this is the flashcards. It created 70 flashcards. According to Elon Musk, what is the primary strength and target audience
Sorry,
for
Ashkay,
X?
the sound is actually cracking.
Okay. Is it clear right now?
No, as soon as you speak, there's some sort of a noise.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't know
okay,
if it's
okay.
just to me or for the rest of them. I don't
Yes,
know.
Yeah, my
it's
sound is
fine
okay.
for me.
Is it fine
I'm
or
fine. Yeah, it's fine for me.
okay, okay, okay. All right. Sorry for that. The sound is cracking. Okay. I hope if you can rejoin, then the problem can be sorted. So you can just click over here and see the answers as well. It is the strongest among people who think a lot and read a lot, specifically readers, writers, and thinkers. So if you'll go on another flashcard, so basically this is the I will say that key takeaways, and you can just see the answer. And till the time, if you think, no, this question is not, I am not interested, you can go more ahead. If you think, oh yes, this is something which I wanted to know, which was into the podcast, you can see the answer. So this is why the flashcards has been made. And video overview, I have made a video overview as well. I know that you will be not be able to listen, but you can see the video overview. I believe that if I can share share it properly, then you will be able to include sound and screen. Okay. So now you will be able to listen to it as well. Now you can see that this podcast is for 2 hours. It has made into 7 minutes basically. Now see,
Meant to be the technological backbone, the framework for this massive human collective. Okay, so how do you actually build something like that? Well, Musk points to some really specific features. First, you need one single platform for everything. Words, pictures, video, you name it. Then, you need secure ways for people to talk privately, so audio and video calls. And here's the kicker. This is crucial. You need automatic translation to literally break down the language barriers that keep our global conversations so fragmented. But why?
I hope you are able to listen to the sound as well, that how it has created a 7 minute video, basically, and you
As
will,
we know it.
like you can see
And I mean,
the
this
now see this. It is just not about creating anything, but the design, the integration, like everything. Now you can see it is totally top notch. So it is a very quality work which is done by, I will say, NotebookLM. And here I have also prepared a mind map as well. Like by the help of mind map, if there is a podcast, if Elon Musk is telling, asking or answering about anything related to Twitter, I want to know, I will go here. What is the purpose and philosophy behind Twitter? Global town square, restored balance, adheres to country laws as well, country negative influences. What is the usage and strength of that, and future evolution? So what will be the future evolution? How it happened? Secure messaging, audio, video calls, automatic translations, and collective consciousness across languages. Advice to entrepreneurs. What is the advice of Elon Musk to entrepreneurs? Core principle: make useful products and services. Aim to be net contributor. Make more than you take. Pursue utility. Money is neutral consequence. Yeah, consequences. So now you can see that this if you this is just a YouTube video. Now you can create a lot of different things by adding anything over here. So it gives you some already prompts over here as well. You can add as much as resources what you want. If you are having like, let's suppose, I will say that uh, the best investor in the world is Warren Buffett, right? So books by Warren Buffett. And you know that these books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like let's suppose if I download all the 6 books from PDF, which doesn't cost me anything, and all the 6 books which I will add it over here, and if I'll choose, and if I, let's suppose if I have some books, let's suppose if I go on documents, and if I choose this, and if I choose some more PDFs basically, and just a sec. If I'll choose this, open. So I have included this. So based on all resources I provide, give me 5 best tips to save money. Right? So basically, I am just going to ask this question, and the level of response which you will get will be based on this content. The problem about AI, I told you that the data which is in the background of the AI is not reliable. But now you can see that this is the response came out from nowhere but the data which you have uploaded over here, which you know that it is a real data. That is what we are actually clearing, the part of data cleaning. That means that whatever the information which is coming over here, it is actually based on your data which is over here, right? So whatever you can see, that whatever is coming here, it has a references. So references basically which is actually taken from the information which you are putting over here. So this is what notebook LM is doing. It has way more amazing things than I just shown you right now. Because if you will create an audio overview, because I don't want you to wait here for longer time, so that now we are going to listen to the audio overview. Take any video, take any PDF, and just click on audio overview, and now it will generate the audio overview based on this data. Okay, and it can generate the slide deck as well. So this is what the notebook LM is. Notebook LM is totally going to change the way. Let's suppose, take a scenario, Bochra, you're going for a I will say a trip. And when you going on a trip, you just put your itinerary over here. I am going to Dubai for 7 days 8 nights. Sorry, uh, uh, sorry, 7 nights 8 days, sorry, 7 night 8 days. And then you say that, and now people basically in audio overview, they will do a podcast. Oh, okay. Bochra wants to go Dubai. December is the best month. Oh, all definitely, she will be able to spend her New Year over there. Yeah, so she can do dune safari. She can go on skydive Dubai as well. Okay, fine. But Bochra, you have an capacity. You can you can interrupt them bit in between and say that, sorry, I am going with my parents. If you said that in between and just move the conversation ahead, then the podcast will be converted. Oh, so Bochra is actually going with their parents, so that they won't be able to do the skydive, right? We need to change a plan. So basically now you can see that your inputs changes the whole plan and the conversation as well. So that is what the audio overview is. Things are very changing right now. You don't need someone to talk and mention those things what you want to do. You have people whom to whom they will listen to you as well, and they will provide you the clarity as well. And you are the one who can provide the best financial advice to yourself. You don't need a financial advisor right now to plan your finances as well, right? Because now you have Warren Buffett to train you how to save money. Because this is what basically I wanted to tell you. Download all the tricks, download all the tips, best marketing book, how to sell anything, any TEDx, best to best TEDx talk, and put that over here, and put your objective, and make sure you have all this mission plans, decks, and everything, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. Notebook LM is very amazing tool to learn anything. If you don't have time to listen to the 2 hour 3 hours of TED talk or anything, if because if you it is not just going to help you, it can help your like a daughter, son as well in learning things. That's why Notebook LM is very important. And I know that nobody, not a teacher, knows about what is Notebook LM. They are not using by for themselves as well. How they will share this information to their son and daughters. That this in this era, you don't need to put all information in your brain. You just need to put right information in your brain. And how you will be able to do it effectively? With the help of Notebook LM, which is available for free of cost, and you don't need to pay any money. So this is Notebook LM in front of you guys, and I hope it will be helpful for you, and you are going to make so many productive things on it. As well as it has already some of the notebooks. Let's suppose the world ahead in 2025, Shakespeare, biology, the secret of ages, and let's suppose the world ahead in 2025. All the things are you can see the things are over here in the left are the sources. You can click on any sources, and if you want to click over here that briefing document sample questions, it is a quiz, and the things are over here with you. If you will click over here, this is basically a notebook for you. And if you will click over here, it has the video for you as well. Based on all these things, like you can download the 100 PDF, and based on the 100 PDFs, it will create a 7-minute video based on that. So anything you can download it as well. If you want to download, you can download it. If you want to use it on your Instagram to push that, you can push that as well. No problem at all. But yes, try to use it, and you will be able to parenting advice for digital age. And it has documents, and it has a podcast as well, 21 resources. So basically these are the resources, and it has made those things. And I hope that it will be helpful for you. Then you will be able to make any slide deck, anything for you, whatever you like, based on any books. If you have any book you want to read, but not just to read, but to make sure that like I have created this as well. And yeah, the career architect. So this is the slide deck. Like you can just use it directly to teach basically what was in the content, and you don't need to make anything, and you can just download it, put that into the Gamma. I know that a Gamma can make a very good presentation based on that. Quickly download, and you have downloaded it, and go on Gamma. Okay, and I will log in quickly. Okay, so it will again ask me. Okay. Okay, and I will click on sign in, and I will upload the PDF which I had, create new, and import file or URL, import a file. I believe it is a career architect, yes, and it will upload a file, and then it will generate automatically. So this is how this is easy. You will be able to generate without doing anything. So Notebook LM provides you the power. So the objective for you is, I will request everyone to kindly upload the most amazing PowerPoints on our the AI lab, to make sure that I know that you are actually practicing as well. And how you feel, basically how is the Notebook LM, just let me know right now on the chat as well. Like I is it helpful for you? How did you felt about this Notebook LM? Like is it really having a use case, or just is it was normal for you? So I just wanted to hear from you as well, how you felt about Notebook LM as well. Is it really innovative? Is it really going to I will say that, is it really going to make your time, like save your time as well in the term of learning? So just let me know what is your view regarding Notebook LM. And undoubtedly I think that it is something which is worth trying. And the best part is, if you are going to try it for the one time, you are 100% you are going to utilize it for your in your every single I will say learning. I will say in your learning time. So that's what is okay. Just let me check one more time on the Gamma, and presentation continue. So it is going to continue, like it has all the data over here. Like I am going to use this, and it, you know that, like this is the best part, it got all of the icons and all those things as well. So that is the best part, and I will click on generate. So in just couple of seconds you will see it is going to start generating all of those things based on that, but in a more effective way, but in a more better way. So this is what Gamma is actually giving you, an extra power to make sure that your PowerPoint has way more different abilities, and it looks way more professional than any of those things. But this is something which you can directly take the YouTube video, and you can put that into Gamma directly as well. And the Gamma will basically make presentations for you, so you don't need to worry about that. So this will be something which I believe, like you will try by your own, because it will take quite time. Okay, it's creating right now. Stop participating, start architecting, and it took the image references. But yes, this is something which we can tell to AI agents to replace the images with the AI images right now. So this is something. So that's why we say, and I usually say that the all the information which you get from AI should not be your final draft. It should be your first draft. So yeah, then obviously yes, you need to craft it by yourself. So that's it. Yeah, and there are two objectives. One, to make you need to make a PowerPoint presentations effectively and send it on the AI lab. And the another objective is to check out the ChatGPT feature of shopping and let me know the what is the pros and cons of that. So that will be the objective for you today. So let okay. So that's it for today. I hope the session was productive for you, and that was all the quick recap for. And I think it was a detailed recap about what I actually wanted to show you on Tuesday. But yes, I am going to put this recording as well on our on basically on our platform, and I'm going to share you the recording very soon with you. So that if you miss anything, you will be able to get all of those links. I am going to share you one of the very good resources as well, like the prompts which I have shared you already, the gamma prompts basically. I'm going to share you on the resource as well, and there are something way more cool prompts which I have already made. So make sure you check the resource, I will say, WhatsApp channel as well, so you will have all the information regarding prompts. So thank you so much everyone for being here. Let me know on the AI lab how was the session, so that the people who missed, they will come to know about what was the session about. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
So
you. Thank you,
Thank you. Bye.
Akshay. I'm going to
thank
try
you.
and catch up the other stuff. Thank you.
Sure, Claire. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Yeah, thank you. Just make sure to put your comment on the
Thank you
AI
so
lab.
much.
Thank you so much. It will be really appreciated if you'll put the comments on the AI lab. So you know the regular drill. Thank you so much, Jamila, Suleiman, and Bochra for being here. And hope to see you in our upcoming session, which will be on Tuesday. Something very exciting.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Akshay.
Welcome, my pleasure.